Hello everyone and welcome back. So how was your FA1 exam? I hope it went very nice, right? So in our FA1 there was a last chapter, lesson number 6, Riya's journey. So during that time I told that this chapter is going to continue, okay, in next two chapters. So Riya's journey, that chapter is divided into three parts. So one part, the first part we have already discussed in lesson number 6, and as I told you earlier that next part we are going to discuss in our essay 1. Okay, so in our essay 1 there will be chapters from 1, it will start from chapter 1 and it will end till towards chapter number 13. Yes, so in this essay 1 we are going to start with chapter number 6, Riya's train got late. Okay, Riya's train got late. Okay, so that from that we are going to start our essay 1 part. So as we know that last time Fiona was a friend in the train, right? Whose friend? Riya's friend. And at Nadia station she got down. Okay, and after that Riya and Himaksh went for sleep. Okay, so from there the story will get to start. So chapter 7, Riya's train got late. So it is around 5 o'clock in the morning and the date is 29th May. Okay, the journey started on 28th May and now it is 29th May. Okay, so we all know after 12 o'clock night the new day begins. I woke up, our train halted at some platform. I sat and looked outside from the window. So train got halted means train got stopped at some station. Okay, so I sat and looked outside from the window. So वो विंडो के पास बैठ गई और उसने विंडो के बाहर देखा. There was a clock hanging on the wall. It was 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so now it is morning. Okay, so there was a big clock hanging on the wall and now it shows the time 5 o'clock in the morning. Besides it, on the pillar, Vadodara Junction was written in the circled board. Okay, so there was a pillar. Okay, and on that pillar there was a board, and on that board Vadodara Junction was written in a circled manner. My brother was still sleeping. So who was his brother? Who was her brother? Himaksh. He was still sleeping. Okay, now there was an announcement and there was an instruction on mic that the train running between Vadodara, Surat, Valsad, Vapi and Mumbai will be 2 hours late. So in the mic, in the junction, okay, at Vadodara junction there was an announcement in the mic. What was the announcement? કે જે ટ્રેન વડોદરા અને મુંબઈ વચ્ચે જે ચાલી રહી છે એ ટ્રેન 2 hours late છે. Okay, so now train will be late by 2 hours. That means train will stay at Vadodara only for 2 more hours. Okay, father said brush your teeth meanwhile I am getting tea for you. So father ने क्या बोला कि आप ब्रश कर लो तब तक मैं आपके लिए चाय लेके आता हूँ. I am getting tea for you. We completed all morning activities. Means what? Brushing the teeth, getting fresh, washing the face. This all things comes in morning activity. Okay, so we all have finished our morning activities. At that time, father came with tea, and mother took out thepla, kakra, and biscuits for breakfast. So meanwhile, when they got fresh up, okay, when they completed all the activities, father brought tea and mother took out थेपला खाकरा बिस्किट्स एंड फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. यानी कि सुबह का नाश्ता के लिए मम्मी ने खाखरा थेपला और बिस्किट बॉक्स में से निकाले और वो टाइम तक पापा चाय लेके आ गए. When we completed our breakfast, it was a daytime. Okay, so when we completed the breakfast, the actual the day got raised. Okay, so at the 5 a.m. it was early morning. Okay, when they came to Vadodara, and by taking the nashta, by taking the breakfast, it was a daytime. Still there was time for the train to start. Father said, come, I will show you the facilities of railway station. My brother and I got off from the train तो स्टिल देयर वॉज अ टाइम, वहाँ पे अभी बहुत टाइम था कि ट्रेन अपनी जर्नी वापस शुरू करने में बहुत टाइम था। तो उन्होंने, उनके पापा ने क्या बोला कि चलो आप दोनों मेरे साथ आओ, मैं आपको रेलवेज़ की कौन कौन सी फैसिलिटीज़ जंक्शन पे होती है वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। सो मी एंड माई ब्रदर गॉट फ्रॉम द ट्रेन. Father showed us the facilities like ticket window, ticket checkers room, waiting room, parcel room, toilet, bathroom, facility of drinking water, canteen, etc. on the platform. तो पापा ने क्या क्या दिखाया? Ticket window, from where we can buy the ticket for the train. Okay, so what is a ticket window? From where we can buy the ticket for our journey. Then ticket checkers room, so where a ticket checker is taking a rest, a ticket checker is taking breakfast or sitting as it is. Okay, so that is a ticket checkers room. Then we have waiting room where passengers can wait for their train. Parcel room, now what is the meaning of parcel room? If we are sending any luggage, or there is a transport system available in railway where we can transport our goods and other things with the help of train. So for that, parcel room was there. Okay, and even yes, all the letters which are transporting by the post office, okay, it is transported by the train, so that we can find parcel room over there. So facility of toilet, bathroom, etc. is there. Drinking water, canteen was also there where we can get fresh by taking the nasta, tea, coffee, etc. We saw many trains at station from the bridge, which was used for crossing one platform to another platform. So as we discussed earlier in the last chapter, that there is a foot over bridge to go from one platform to another platform. We should not cross the tracks. Okay, so for that there is foot over bridge is there. So when they are going from one platform to another platform at Vadodara Junction, they saw many trains. We saw the railway staff pouring water from carriages and cleaning the train. Okay, so there were railway staffs, okay, who were doing the process of cleaning. Okay, what they were cleaning? They were cleaning the whole train. Okay, so from the carriages means from the coach itself. Okay, સો જે ટ્રેનનો ડબ્બો હોય છે એમાંથી તે પાણી લે છે અને પછી ટ્રેનને સાફ કરે છે, ટ્રેનને ક્લીન કરે છે, મોપ કરે છે. Some sweepers were cleaning the railway tracks. Okay, so some sweepers were cleaning the railway tracks. We had no idea how time flew during our visit the station. Okay, time ક્યાં નીકળી ગયો ખબર જ ના પડી. I came to know more about railway facilities. Indeed, it was enjoyable. I took photographs and videos of some facilities from my father's mobile. So whatever the facilities were available, all the things were captured by Ria in the photograph and in the form of videos. Think, why would Ria's train be 2 hours late from Vadodara? Okay, Vadodara thi Riaની train 2 hours late કેમ થઈ? So this may be the reasons. Okay, railway tracks between Vadodara and Mumbai may be under repair. So that may be the reason that the railway track between the Vadodara and Mumbai is under repairing. Okay, એનું repairing ચાલતું હશે એટલે ટ્રેન લેટ થઈ છે. There may have been an accident. Maybe આ રૂટ ઉપર કોઈ એક્સિડન્ટ થયેલો છે. The train might not have got the signal to move forward. Maybe ટ્રેનને આગળ જવા માટે સિગ્નલ નહીં મળ્યું હોય. So these are the reasons, or you can say this may be the reasons why Ria's train got late for 2 hours from Vadodara station. Vadodara junction. Which places did Ria visit at the station? Ria ने स्टेशन पे कौन कौन सी places देखी? Ticket window, waiting room, facility of lockers, toilets and bathrooms, facility of drinking water, canteen facilities, these kind of things Ria saw at the station. So Ria ने क्या क्या देखा था? Ticket window, waiting room, facility of lockers where we can keep our luggage and special things, and we can also keep lock on it. टॉयलेट्स देखे वहाँ पे, बाथरूम्स देखे, फैसिलिटी ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, कैंटीन फैसिलिटी, ये सब रिया ने स्टेशन के ऊपर देखा था. Okay, so as we know, now it is 29th May and now it is 7 o'clock. Okay, so train reached at Vadodara at 5 o'clock and there was an announcement કે ટ્રેન 2 hours લેટ છે. તો હવે 29th મે અને સવારના 7 વાગી ગયા છે. Now there was an instruction on mic that our train would leave वडोदरा विदिन 2 मिनट्स. अभी माइक पे अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था कि अभी 2 मिनट में मुंबई जाने वाली ट्रेन अपने प्लेटफॉर्म से रवाना होगी. वी ગોટ ઇન ટુ અવર કેરિયેજ, ટ્રેન સ્ટાર્ટેડ. અમે અમારા ડબ્બામાં બેસી ગયા અને ટ્રેન પાછી સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ. ઇટ વોઝ મોર્નિંગ, એટમોસ્ફિયર વોઝ વેરી બ્યુટિફુલ આઉટસાઇડ. Okay, so here I am stopping myself. When we'll meet next time, we are going to continue with the chapter. From where we are going to continue? That now, after 2 hours of late, again train is started its journey. એટલે કે 2 કલાકના લેટ પછી હવે ટ્રેન પાછી પોતાની જર્ની સ્ટાર્ટ કરે છે. That we are going to understand next time. So till then, bye bye everyone and have a nice time.